In this Bluehost tutorial video, I'm going over how to host a website on Bluehost step by step from start to finish. Also providing you with an exclusive Bluehost discount so you can save money on your Bluehost domain name and web hosting purchase. You get up to 83% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the Bluehost hosting tutorial going over how to host a website on Bluehost. The first thing you want to do to host a website on Bluehost is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Bluehost and so you can take advantage of our exclusive Bluehost discount, getting up to 83% off plus a free domain. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is the affiliate link, meaning you are receiving commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting page. Click the Get Started Now button. You'll now be on the Bluehost plan section. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, and E-commerce Essentials plan. The Basic plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes SSD storage, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes SSD storage, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The E-commerce Essentials plan comes with 100 websites, 100 NVMe storage, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, product subscriptions, visitor memberships, offer paid courses, affiliate program, custom email templates, and easy social login. Something I want to mention is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic or Choice Plus plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost e-commerce essential plan provides. I'm going to choose the Basic plan for this tutorial. Once you decide on the plan to choose, click the Choose Plan button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you click from the drop down where you see .com, you can choose the domain extension your domain name ends in. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says, I want to use a domain I already own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose Domain Later link and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the Bluehost dashboard. You'll see Add Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public WHOIS database as domain names are regulated. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. You'll now be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop-down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You get the lowest pricing with the 1-year term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Professional email is if you want an email address ending in your domain name with a custom inbox. Add security for your email, your contacts and calendars to sync, Drive to share files, create and manage tasks, and create documents from a full suite of tools. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features provided by professional email. E-commerce Essentials add-on provides you with powerful tools and plugins like email marketing, search engine optimization, membership subscription services, paid courses, PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Easy Login, Yoast SEO Free, news and video, and more. A $600 USD annual savings. Google Workspace Business Starter provides you with an email address ending in your domain name, along with other features provided by Google Workspace, such as Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Cloud Storage with Drive, Video Conferencing with Me, and many more Google Workspace features. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features with Google Workspace. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and your account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Bluehost will now email you your Bluehost receipt. You'll be taken to a Thank You for Your Purchase page while your hosting account is loaded. Once it is done, you'll see your new WordPress site is installing. You'll see the Login to WordPress button. Click this to be taken to WordPress. You'll now be on the Welcome to WordPress page. You can choose to create your site with the AI Site Creator. You can import a website, or you'll see I'm following a tutorial, take me to the WordPress dashboard. You can select this one as you'll be following along with me in this tutorial. You'll now be in the WordPress dashboard. Before we choose a theme and start editing it, we want to change our domain name to be secure using HTTPS with the free SSL certificate. I'll hover over Settings in the left side menu. Click General. You'll see WordPress address URL and site address URL. Change these to HTTPS instead of the HTTP. Scroll down and click Save Changes. It'll not log you out of WordPress because you changed URL to HTTPS. Just log back in. To pick out a theme for your site, on the far left you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes. This is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There's thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I'm going to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add New. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it, then click Activate. Hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You'll now see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic starter templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. On this page, if you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click from the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category or what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change and edit the templates to what you'd like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like and then start making it your own, no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. I'll select this theme here called Outdoor Adventure. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You'll now be on the Tell us a little about yourself page. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab at the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the style. You can click on something and move things around. If you click the plus icon here at the top left of the page, you can easily drag stuff over from the left into the page where you want. You can click an image to put in your own image. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widget section, click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates that you can add to your site. I'll click one. I'll click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. To change the background color of a section, right-click in the top section. click Edit section, click Style. Where you see color, click into this to change the color to what you'd like. If you want to change a background image for a section, right-click in this top section. Click Edit Container, click Style. You'll see the image here. Click into it and you can upload an image or choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. Next, click Background Overlay, click into Color. You can change the background color. Where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you like. To edit the contact form shown here on the Contact Us page, from the WordPress dashboard, click on WP Forms. Hover over the Contact Us form showing here. Click Edit underneath it. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can make edits to your contact form. If you want to make edits to the menu on your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance and click Menus. You can add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to edit the footer, header, and logo of your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance in the left side menu and click Customize. To edit the footer, click Footer. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon to start making edits to that section. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. To edit the header area of your site, scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you could then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline is where you can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the fonts used for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. That's all there is to it. That is how to host a website on Bluehost. I hope you enjoyed this Bluehost hosting tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.